If I knew then what I know now, I would have declined to represent Donald Trump in these post-election challenges.
An emotional and remorseful Jenna Ellis, a former lawyer for Donald Trump, apologized to a Georgia court on Tuesday and pleaded guilty to helping the former U.S. president's efforts to overturn his 2020 election defeat in the state.
I take my responsibilities as a lawyer very seriously, and I endeavor to be a person of sound moral and ethical character in all of my dealings. What I did not do, but should have done, Your Honor, was to make sure that the facts the other lawyers alleged to be true were in fact true. In the frenetic pace of attempting to raise challenges to the election in several states, including Georgia, I failed to do my due diligence.
Ellis is the third member of Trump's legal team to reach a plea deal since last week, following Sidney Powell and Kenneth Chesebro, and the fourth of the 19 people charged in the sweeping racketeering indictment brought by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to agree to testify against Trump if called upon. The 38-year-old pleaded guilty to aiding and abetting false statements and writings, which calls for her to be sentenced to 5 years of probation and $5,000 in restitution.
And are you pleading guilty today because you agree that there is a factual basis, as outlined by the state, to support this guilty plea?
I do.
This case is one of 4 that Trump, who has pleaded not guilty, faces as he runs for president as the frontrunner for the Republican nomination in 2024, and one of 2 that relate to his efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss to Democrat Joe Biden.